joined Stellar Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stellar Academy has produced Goa's best results in JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
If you are not challenging the revocation of a passport, then the situation for all those would be the same. In the sense, once a passport is revoked, that revocation of the passport will be considered as a surrender certificate, and the authorities who are supposed to consider your application.
OCI कार्डाचेर विदेश व्यवहार मंत्रालयान 4 एप्रिल 2024 दिल्ल्या आदेशाप्रमाण निर्णय घेवचो म्हूण हायकोर्टाचो अधिकाऱ्यांक आदेश.
See, OCI petitions were filed on the ground that the government is going to reject request of OCI card based on the reason that they have acquired a Portuguese nationality and that fact has been suppressed, and further they have renewed Indian passport even after acquiring the Portuguese nationality. So for which we were saying that OCI issue is independent under Section 7A of Citizenship Act, for which that passport act cannot be brought into picture, and therefore our passport was wrongly revoked. So therefore we went to the court saying that we should be granted OCI certificate.
So what is the order today?
Today there is, now in the meantime what has happened is there is a circular issued by Ministry of External Affairs dated 4th April 2024 which facilitate that the revocation certificate should be treated as surrender certificate now. So court has said that without prejudice to our rights and contention that we can apply for OCI certificate based on that circular. So that is the order today and petition has been kept pending.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.